Good morning, students. Today our activity is blood grouping for ABO and RH grouping system. So in ABO blood grouping system, there are 4 blood groups: A group, B group, AB and O. A group contains A antigen on the cell membrane of RBC and B antibodies. B group contains B antigen and A antibody. AB group contains AB antigen and no antibody, and O group contains no antigen but A and B antibodies. And there RH systems, in RH systems, research systems, there is research antibodies present on the cell membrane of RBC. Now, principle of blood groupings. A suspension of the red cells of the specimen is reacted with a known antigen, that is anti-A and anti-B. Positive agglutination, that means clumping, indicates the presence of corresponding antigen on the red cells. The RH blood typing refers to the determinations of presence or absence of research antigen, that is D antigen on RBC, when reacted with antibody D. Research cells shows agglutination with anti-D. In addition to ABO and RH systems, other antigen systems called donor and recipients may present. The donor and recipient cells may sometimes shows incompatibility, for which we need also for cross-matching before blood transmissions. Now procedure. Take a clean glass slide and it is divided by the marker pen into 3 compartments, and these are marked as A, B and D compartments. Now we take the sample of blood samples, anticoagulated blood samples. Now we add 1 or 2 drops, 1 or 2 drops of blood from the blood samples in each compartment. 1 drop in each compartment from the blood samples. Now we give this is the kit, this is the antibody kit for blood grouping. There are 3 anti-sera bottles are present. This is anti-A and another is we have antibody D, this is B, this is the anti-B and this is the anti-D. Now from the anti-sera A, we put 1 drop of anti-sera on the compartment A without touching the blood. Then we take 1 drop from the anti-sera B and we put on the B compartment. 1 drop we put on the B compartment. Then we take the anti-sera D and we put 1 drop from in the compartment D. Now we mix the blood with the anti-sera properly. We mix the blood properly and for each compartment we should use separate sticker so that there is no mixing of blood from one compartment to the other compartment. So we use separate sticker. So we mix properly the blood and the antibodies. Then we slightly rotate so that there is a proper mixing of the blood. Slightly rotate. Slightly rotate the blood properly so that there is proper mixing, and we now then wait for 1 or 2 minutes so that there is a proper reactions. So now the observation. First we observed the A and B compartment, whether there is clumping or not. Then, and this will give the ABO systems, blood group of ABO systems. Here in the A compartment there is no clumping, but here B compartment we have seen there is clumping or agglutinations. That means here is B antigen is present, so the blood group is B. If there would been only agglutination A compartment, then the blood group should have been A. If there is agglutination in both A and B compartments, then the blood groups should be AB. If there is no agglutination, then the blood groups should be O. So from here we can find out the ABO system, blood group for ABO systems, and here our blood group is B. Then we go for the observation of the RH systems. So here is agglutination in the compartment D. So as there is agglutination in compartment D, so there is positive. There is a research antigen is present, so blood group is positive. So our result is the blood group is B positive. So now we can record the blood group. If there have been no agglutination in D compartment, then the blood group would have been negative. So our result is B positive.